Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here to go over the AA Ignition Camshaft Variable Valve Timing Solenoid Kit that fits a variety of Ford, Lincoln Mercury vehicles with the 5.4 and 4.6 liter engine, including the Expedition, F-150, F-250, and a variety of other vehicles listed on the product page. So this kit includes two of the actual variable valve solenoids. The solenoids are identical to one another. And then we include 4 different seals. If you see over here, there's 4 different seals. There's 2 big ones and 2 small ones. So depending on the actual production date of your vehicle, you're either going to use the small seal or the big seal. We include both in the kit to avoid any sort of confusion. So you're actually only going to use either the large ones or the small ones. You're not going to use both. When you're installing these seals on the vehicle, you want to make sure you put a light coat of motor oil on the outside when you're installing the seal, and you want to put a light coat of motor oil on the inner side when you're actually installing the variable cam solenoids into the seal. We also include the screws that are used to fasten the solenoid to the engine. So it's a complete kit with everything you need. If you guys have any questions about the kit or if it's the correct part for your vehicle, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll be glad to help.